jug line set out. It's just beautiful down here. Right on, here we go. We are live. What's up, people? I think you get out here and set up a hammock. Cat works, and might be a little fire, maybe a little coffee or something. Maybe I want to get out and set up this hammock, see what it's all about. You know. All right, let's get with it. I got to figure out how to get out this boat. First thing would be to do is stand up, I guess. I'm gonna walk up this hill, see what they got. See if it's a good place to forecast. Like I said, I got my string to my kayak right here. Back it up a little bit and turn it around. Definitely gonna have stuff out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and tie this up. See what I got. You always, whenever you get out of your kayak, no matter where you're at or what you're doing, always tie your kayak up. Because you wouldn't want to get out and just make a cup of coffee and set up a hammock and maybe think you're going to camp here or something. And the kayak is gone. Some kind of hill it is before I get to the rest of it. I like it. Looks like a good place to tie a hammock up and just try it out anyway. So, walk up the hill and take a look. Whoa. Got a little wood laying around here. So, hopefully, I see something I don't like. I'd have to watch them if I was staying here. This is what we call blackjack vines. And they have big, huge stickers on them. And they will go through you in a heartbeat. You know, dead tree there, so I got firewood. Alright. Alright. Make go in, let's see what we got here. See if I can get some stuff out of this kayak. I'll have to turn it around, huh? Guess I can take my life jacket off. Got my carry bag here. Get down. Untie this again. I know everything I got in here I'm untying. You have to tie everything you have. If you want it, you better tie it in the kayak, or it's going to fall out. Or if you flip or something, it just makes it easier to have everything. You open this hatch up. All right. A dry bag. Close the hatch. Yeah, I think I got everything I need. No, I don't. One more thing. Got this. I'm not going to ask what that is in a minute, and I'll tell you. All right. Get all my stuff and go to the top of the hill. Figure out where I'm going to put this thing at. Oh, there's a nice spot over here. Alright, y'all. Like I said, I was going to show y'all earlier. I was leaving the house and I seen this on my front porch, and I thought about something. And I used to carry something like this with me all the time in the swamp. Because all the hills in the swamp, if you kneel down here, you're going to be wet. So always bring you a piece of bitch queen. Now you put your gear out, and it's light, it don't take up no room. You can sit on it, and you can use it for a windbreak, just whatever. But it's nice to have something to sit on. Normally you can't sit out here. If you sit down, you're gonna be wet. And it's gonna soak right through your clothes. Well, let's see what we got in this bag here. And we're gonna set up this kayak. And got my straps. Got my straps for the kayak. I mean for the hammock, I'm sorry. Got the hammock straps, kayak. What I'm thinking about. But anyway, what we got here, this is rain fly. I don't know if we're gonna need that today. We might set it up, might not. Let's see. Yeah, that limb over there needs to be cut. I got my little saw, so I can cut a few limbs and cut up firewood and stuff like that with that. That's just one of the things I got. But what else we got in here? Here we go. There's my hammock. I guess the first thing I need to do is cut these limbs and get everything ready. Alright. Alright. First thing I want to do is knock too many limbs down. There's a few limbs hanging on this tree. Nothing too big. You gotta remember this saw is just to pull and cut. This one off here. Dry stuff, we might try to use that a little bit to make a fire with. I'm not going to cut these palmettos because I think I can get away without cutting them, so I'll just leave that. Can't cut everything. Let me grab one of my straps here. Now, I've never set one of these up before, but it's pretty simple. This is your tree side here. Just go up around the tree with it. Run it through the end here. See, they have different loops you can set this thing up on. Let me show y'all that in a second. We're gonna run it through here. And it don't put no stress on the tree. No, that's what I like about them. Then we got one hanging here. You can do the other one. I'm gonna try to hang this one just about the same level, because we're on this hill here, and hopefully I don't roll out the hammock, because I'll be going down the hill. Get this pull through. Go ahead and stand it up a little bit. Alright, we got that, y'all. I got to get my hammock. Actually, we're not going to take it out the back because it's already, it's in the, it packs into its own self. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this. Go watch that simple. Let's just set up a hammock. That's how I'm hoping my trees are not too close together. That's what's good about these things. You can adjust them. I'm trying to open these up. All you do is press your carabiner. Get it in there. Lock it in. You can pull this out the bag. Look at there. All right, George, I think we've just about got us a hammock here. We got the straps right here, so we don't have a ridge line on here. I'm gonna have to read out more about a ridge line. And there's certain things you can do to make it easier. Okay? I'm not even gonna worry about the glove nut right now. Not even gonna worry about it. We're gonna just try to get in it. I've really never been in this hammock, so I want to see how it's do. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down, spread it out a little bit. Good, hey, not too bad. What's up, y'all? I got a guy in it, so that's one good thing. Now I'm gonna try to lay kind of sideways. That's what I was told. Get the mosquito net out other way. You turn kind of sideways, and that makes you lay flat. And this actually, I don't know. What y'all think? I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna work on my mosquito net later. I don't have time to fool with it right now, because I just wanted to get something lay in the hammock, just see how it feels, you know. And anyway, I got my hammock, so I'm happy about that. First time to be in it, and just swinging and looking around a little bit. Nice, beautiful day. The sun kind of hit me in the eye. It's making me sleepy what it's doing. So I may just lay down for a little while, take me a little nap. Dang, that wasn't a bad nap. Whew. I guess I'll make me some coffee now, huh? Feel pretty good. All right. So I guess I'm gonna take me a little nap here, y'all. And we'll see y'all in a little bit. Good night.